Hello friends, myself Suresh. In this video, you shall see a demo of the CHNT application, which is used to remove, bypass, unlock, and reset the forgotten window password. And we can download this tool from this website itself, chntpw.com. So as we can see, this is an offline password and registry editor tool, which we can use in all the Windows platform to remove the passwords and change the registry also. So in this video, we will be seeing a demo of that. So for the demo purpose, I have taken a small Windows XP machine, which has a password protected admin account. Okay, if I start it, over here, we can see that it will be password. Let's wait for the Windows to boot up. You can also see that more details about CHNTPW from Wikipedia, and it's a very commonly used tool and it is absolutely safe to use. See over here, when we open the boot up the system, it is asking for a password. Now suppose I do not know the password and I want to log in without giving a password. So using this tool, we can directly remove the password from this Windows. So if you want, we can directly put it in a bootable CD or a bootable USB, or else we can download the zip over here. I downloaded that, and we can extract get the ISO file from that. Now for the demo, what we will do in VirtualBox, we'll go to settings and we'll go to storage. I click on add over here, scan this, click on add, and I will click on this, choose this. Okay, so now this is also chosen over here. In normal laptops, we can directly plug in the bootable CD and we can just press F12 and boot directly from this particular new ISO file. The moment I start the virtual box VM from here, I have to press F12. Just press F12. Now it's asking me from where I need to boot. So I need to boot now from the CD-ROM C, because this is a bootable CD. So this is the basic UI, the first screen of the CHNTP32. So what do I need to do? I need to basically boot. So I'll just click on enter. So it will boot. Now the font does change in this, and there is actually no way to avoid this change. It does look a bit odd, but it can't do much. I can try making scale more, but that won't be much useful. So this is the basic screen. So what do we need to do? We need to bypass the password. So we can see the possible options. This is shown in one. The mouse is not visible in this case, but if you see possible Windows installation found towards the bottom, we can see one. Okay, one is written. So I'll select one. Press enter. Okay. So now it's asking me select which part of the registry to load, comma, use predefined choices or list the files with space as delimited. So I have the option 1 as password reset. So I'll click on 1 again, press 1 and hit enter. Now it is asking me what do I want to do. I want to edit the user data and password. That's what I want to do. So I click on 1 and enter. Now it is asking me which particular account do I need to manipulate. So the default is chosen as 3EB over here. So I'll go with that itself, 3EB. So just hit enter. So what I need to do in this case, I need to clear the user password, which is option 1. So press 1 and hit enter. Okay. Now the account has been locked. It says password is not required anymore. So now what I can do, I can just quit from here, quit again. And it is asking me, do I want to about to write first? Do it. I will write yes, why. So it did the edit part, and do I want a new one? No, I don't want a new one. And now it is saying you can restart the script or you can close the shell or whatever. So I'll close this shell. I'll power off the machine and again go to settings. Basically, I'll be removing the drive which I inserted now for this CHNTPW2. Okay. Then now click on start. And and now we are going to switch to the screen here. Now we need to see if we are able to actually log into the system without giving the user password. So let's wait for the system to boot up. First time it may show some error message. Even if it does show, nothing to worry. Just restart it again and it will automatically. You are able to log in without giving the password. So this is how, using this tool, we were able to remove the user password. So I hope this video was informative. Please do not try this technique on normal system. This is only for educational purpose. Try it on your own VM. You can have a VirtualBox VM. You can use this technique for cracking the password, for removing the password of any Windows XP 7, 10, but do not use it on live systems. Although I've already told how to use it on live system, but yes, do not use it without anyone's permission, and it is illegal. On your own system or on any system for which you have the permission, you can go ahead and use this technique to remove the password. So I hope this video was informative. Thank you for your time.